So I'm going to make a vegetable pasta today. You can use any type of vegetables you want. Use what you got in the fridge. Just use it up. It's creamy, it's garlicky, it's delicious. It's really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at what we have here. It looks like quite a lot, but the veg, you can use whatever veg you want. Let's look at the essentials. So pasta, I've got 3 or 4 cups actually, of cooked pasta. I'm using this rigatoni. Any pasta you can use, spaghetti, tagliatelle, fusilli, penne, up to you. 250 ml of cream. I'm using a thick cream. You can use thick or thin. It will make no difference at all. 3 teaspoons of oregano. 2 tablespoons of Parmesan. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 cup of onions. 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And then, like I say, the veg selection's up to you. I'm going roughly with equal amounts of cauliflower, mushrooms, carrots, bell peppers, and green beans. Some olive oil, salt and pepper. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. Okay, so I've got here my wok. You're going to need a pan or something like that, obviously. Olive oil, that's in there. We're going to start off by dropping in 1 cup of onion. Now, I've just put the heat on, by the way. We're on slightly above medium. We're going to add the garlic. And then I'm going to add my hard vegetables. So, carrots, cut them fairly small. Cauliflower, nearly dropped that, blimey. And I've got some green beans. So if you've got celery and things like that, get it in now. If you've got mushrooms and zucchini, for example, they will go in later. Okay, above medium heat, about 3 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. It's just like 3 minutes there. Gonna drop in those olives. Black olives, I've taken the stones out of those. Green obviously will also work. Bit of bell pepper, I've got some green pepper there. Mushrooms. But like I say, any selection of veg you like works, doesn't it? Let's go in with 3 teaspoons of oregano. And once again, it doesn't have to be oregano. It could be a dried basil, one of those Italian mixed herbs, tarragon, marjoram, anything you like really. Better get in some salt and pepper. Nice big pinch of pepper. Slightly less salt. Again, another 3 minutes or so. We're nearly done. Absolutely so easy, so delicious, so divine, blah, blah, blah. See you in about 3 minutes. So we've been going about 6 minutes in total. Now, my veg has still got a nice crunch on them. I like it like that. If you want, cook it a bit longer. We're now going to go in with the cream, 250 ml of cream. Like I say, this is a thick cream. Thick or thin will make no difference whatsoever to you. Couple of tablespoons of Parmesan grated, 1 cup of cheddar grated, or a similar type cheese, and then get in there and give it a really good mix. And then we're going to add our cooked pasta. Like I say, I'm using this rigatoni, but anything goes. 3 more minutes. Once again, we seem to be doing everything in threes today, don't we? 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. We want that pasta sauce in, on and around our pasta. Job done, we've done it. I'll see you at the table. A little bit of chopped parsley, flat leaf parsley on the top. Just so it looks like I know what I'm doing. Really simple that, isn't it? Beautiful stuff. Like I say, use any veg you like. Quick and easy. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.